Alright, so that was the first startup of the Lennox mirror since last cooling season. This is its 9th cooling season, which is crazy to think about. I remember when they were replacing the old York and I was just yapping to the technicians and the installers about the York. Funny. It's been 9 years since then. Wild. As you all know, it's a 2015 2.5 ton. Suction line's getting nice and cold. Starting to sweat. Liquid line's warm. About up to a temperature, which is 78 in March. Crazy. Oh yeah, that was its first startup of the year. Thanks for watching.